let's see how we apply trimming and address this problem. We should select the component for trimming, and the recommendation is that it should be the problematic component that has the most amount of problems and the most costly component. In this case, we are talking about specialized robot, and we are not formulating the problem how to reduce cost. It's trimming. We should completely trim this specialized robot. Then we should formulate the function of this robot to remove shavings. Next, please. Here is trimming problem. How to remove accumulated shavings without expensive specialized robot. When we formulated this trimming problem to Japanese engineers, they said, guys, you are crazy. How can we eliminate shavings, remove shavings without this robot? We are talking about reducing cost of the robot. But we insisted, it's trimming, we will get a solution, but let's continue the trimming recommendations. And we applied trimming option B. Specialized robot can be trimmed if shavings eliminate themselves. That was the trimming problem with option rule B. The Japanese were just infuriated. You are reading fantasy books. What you're talking about? How shavings could eliminate themselves? It's impossible. It's typical reaction of normal engineers and managers when they see or hear a trimming problem statement. Okay, then we apply inventive principle. One of the inventive principles, other way around. Let's turn the object or process upside down. That's the recommendation of the inventive principle. And we recommended a solution. Remember, it's a fully automated shop, no humans. Why should we place the letter machines on the floor? Let's place these machines on the ceiling. The very simple, inexpensive robots could load and load the pieces onto the machine, sitting on the ceiling, not on the floor. What will happen with the shavings? They will fall themselves under the gravitation force. That's it. We recommended this solution, and it was implemented. The cost reduction was not 20%, 100% regarding this specialized robot. We didn't reduce the cost of this robot. We just completely eliminated this robot, all these robots. That was a solution.